In today's video, I'll teach you how to delete Hopper account. First of all, launch open Hopper application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to delete the Hopper account, for that tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. In this interface, you'll be able to find your profile. Right below it, you'll be able to find the option for edit profile. What you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the edit profile interface. From this interface, you'll be able to edit the profile. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the option for delete. So if you want to delete your account, simply tap on this option, delete. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. This action cannot be undone. So if you want to delete your account, tap on this option, delete, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here your account deletion will be started and your account will be deleted and you'll be signed out of your account. So like this, you'll be able to delete your account. So that is how you delete Hopper account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.